Across the ocean and the digital glow, a steady spark began to quietly grow. Alan and Christine.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, isi-share namin ang isa sa mga unforgettable adventures namin as a couple. At yun ay ang pag-visit namin sa Nilgi Cave sa Western Australia. Ang Nilgi Cave ay one of the oldest tourist attractions in the Margaret River region. It's famous for its stunning limestone formations like stalactites and stalagmites that took thousands of years to form. May Aboriginal history din ang cave na ito, making it not just beautiful but also rich in culture and history.
I have found the one my soul loves, written in the stars of heaven.
Habang naglalakad kami sa loob ng cave, napa-amaze talaga kami sa ganda ng God's creation. Ang bawat sulok ng cave reminds us kung gaano kaganda at kahusay ang pagkakagawa ng kalikasan.
7 months later, a wedding band warmed.
Maraming tao ang nag-a-assume na kapag married ka sa isang Australian, automatic mayaman ang asawa mo. Pero ang totoo, hindi mayaman ang husband ko. Isa lang siyang ordinaryong hardworking Australian na nagkatrabaho para sa pamilya namin. Hindi man kami laging nasa luxury hotels o expensive vacations, one thing I truly appreciate about him is that he always makes sure na gumagawa kami ng memories together. Mas pinipili namin mag-explore ng mga bagong lugar, mag-enjoy sa simpleng adventures, at mag-spend ng quality time kaysa gumastos para lang magmukhang mayaman. At the end of the day, it's not about how much money you have. It's about who you're sharing your life with. Ang mga pictures at videos na ito, parang araw ay magiging reminders namin ng mga masasayang panahon na magkasama kami.
And the heavens above, from the screen to the chapel, a beautiful grace. As Alan and Christine took their...
If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we continue creating simple but meaningful memories together. See you in our next adventure. God bless.